Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you manually update your Hero GoPro 12, or the main issue is like how can you fix this problem. Let's say I just put the camera and battery, sorry, and I'm always getting this one. Nothing else is happening. It's always keeps showing me this system. So I checked a lot of things, a lot of solutions, and I'm going to fix it. So maybe you will see some trial and error. So the main thing is the most of the solution comes is you need to update this camera manually. So I'm going to do that. Let me take out this battery because it is keep running. So to manually update the camera, you first go to Hero GoPro 12 page, and you can see here update your camera manually, and this link I will be sharing in the description box. You can get it from the description box. So let's get it. I have Windows, so I am using the Windows, and you can see what they are saying. Insert your micro SD card into your computer and card reader, USB card reader. Then transfer the update file to micro SD card. You can see. Then click download and insert the micro SD card to that. So they are giving all the steps. %20 battery, everything is there, but where can I download the software? Oh, here it is, download update. So I'm downloading it, and you can see it got downloaded. I'm going to so the zip file is downloaded here. So now I have to connect the micro SD card and get it in my micro SD card. So you can see I have the micro SD card here, and I'm connecting it here. It should open. If I go to this PC, you can see this is the micro SD card. These are all my GoPro related stuffs. So I'm not deleting anything. I'm just keeping it Control C and Control V. I'm just copying it here. It should be fine. Then let me check what are the next steps. So I just copied it to there. Now, as per instruction, I have to unzip everything in the micro SD card. So I'm going to extract all here. Let me double check the location. Extract all. Save, everything will be here. Okay. Extract. So you can see there is a extract file. File is extracting here. And in the meantime, let me double check. and you can see the update is here. So I don't need this zip update. Let me delete this one. So you can see the update is here. So this is done. Let me now close this one, eject. So let me remove this one. Now I'm getting this one. Now I'm going to install this one here. So I just installed it. Now let me put the battery in and let's see what happens. It is not doing anything, friends. It is not reading the file. Friends, I actually restarted this one. It was spinning continuously, it's spinning. So I just restarted by pressing this one, pressing this power button for a long time. I didn't record it because I don't know what's gonna happen. So I just press and hold, then the camera restarted and it went to the updating mode. So now let's see how long it takes to update. Again, I just pressed and hold this update button for a long time. I just pressed and hold this update button for a long time to make it update. Update complete. Let's see what it says. Okay, it started working, friends. It started working. So it was easy. It was not too tough, and it was showing that spinning. It is only thing is you copy the update file and put it in and then press and hold to restart. Once it restarted, it actually did the updates. So let me power it off. Now it powered off, and let me power it on. It's on. So it get the updated file. So this is the way I resolve my issue. My issue is resolved, friends. I was on a trip and all on a sudden that spinning wheel came and I was not able to do anything. So looks like I'm now able to fix it. So it is fine, it is working now. So let me turn it off. So it is working, looks like, and all my settings, everything is there. So it is fine, everything is working as you can see. So only thing is the update is really simple and I was able to do it. So that's all about this video, friends. Let me know how do you like this video. If you have any thought or any suggestion, please put it in the comment box, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.